Bay windows are a beautiful architectural feature that can instantly enhance the look and feel of your home. They create depth, bring in natural light, and add extra interior space that can be used for seating, decor, or storage. But if you live in Conway, you may be wondering, are bay windows energy efficient enough to handle our local climate? The short answer is yes. When they're properly designed and installed, bay windows can absolutely be energy efficient in Conway's mix of hot summers and cool winters. Let's take a closer look at what that means for your home. Understanding Conway's climate. Conway experiences warm, humid summers and chilly winters. That means your windows need to do two main jobs: keep unwanted heat out during summer, prevent indoor heat from escaping during winter. Because bay windows extend outward from your home, they have more glass surface area than standard flat windows. While this increases natural light and outdoor views, it also means energy performance depends heavily on the quality of materials and installation. Modern bay windows are built for efficiency. Today's bay windows are very different from older models. Modern options include double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, argon or krypton gas fills between panes, insulated, multi-chambered frames, tight weather sealing. These features significantly reduce heat transfer. In summer, low E coatings reflect solar heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. In winter, the insulating glass helps retain indoor warmth. When you choose high-performance materials, a bay window can be just as energy efficient as any other premium window style. Proper installation is critical because bay windows project outward. They require structural support and careful sealing. Gaps, poor insulation, or improper flashing can lead to drafts, moisture issues, and higher energy bills. In Conway's humid climate, proper installation also helps prevent condensation and moisture buildup. A professionally installed bay window will include insulated framing around the base and roof of the bay, airtight sealing, moisture barriers, proper support brackets or structural reinforcement. Even the most energy-efficient window won't perform well if it's installed incorrectly. That's why working with experienced professionals is key. Orientation matters. The direction your bay window faces can affect its efficiency. South-facing bay windows can provide beneficial solar warmth in winter but may need shading in summer. West-facing windows receive strong afternoon sun, which can increase cooling costs if not properly coated. North-facing windows offer consistent light with minimal heat gain. In many Conway homes, adding exterior shading elements, interior blinds, or energy-efficient window treatments can further enhance performance year-round. Added benefits beyond energy savings. Energy efficiency isn't the only advantage of bay windows. They also increase natural light, reducing daytime lighting needs, improve ventilation when operable panels are included, add usable square footage, boost curb appeal and resale value. Natural light can even help regulate indoor temperatures when used strategically. During winter, sunlight can provide passive solar heating that lowers your reliance on your HVAC system. Are bay windows right for your home? If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or single pane, upgrading to a modern bay window can significantly improve both comfort and energy performance. Homeowners in Conway often find that replacing older windows results in lower monthly energy bills, more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced strain on heating and cooling systems, improved overall home comfort. However, the key is customization. Every home is different. The size of the window, the materials chosen, and the installation process all impact performance. The bottom line: bay windows can absolutely be energy efficient for Conway's climate, as long as you invest in high-quality materials and expert installation. With modern glass technology, insulated frames, and proper sealing, you can enjoy expansive views and natural light without sacrificing comfort or increasing energy costs. If you're considering adding or replacing a bay window, it's worth speaking with a local window professional who understands Conway's seasonal weather patterns. With the right design and installation, a bay window can be a beautiful, energy-smart upgrade that enhances your home for years to come.